Welcome to my channel, The Proper Guidance. Here we are today to discuss the program that will display and count the number of vowels, consonant, uppercase, lowercase characters in a string. So today we'll learn about something about string in Python programming language. So this is program number 10. I already have done 9 programs in Python. Those are the very basic programs. Those who are new to my class, please go through the previous programs. I think this will be helpful for you for practical exam. Now see, what to do? We have to take some string input. Previously we have done so many programs on integers, and we already know that how to take input of integer value, right? But here we will go through the string, and this is the way to take a user input. See here, this is the variable for string and I take it as s. S equals to input. The same method is used here also, input method, but I have not written here the data type. You may consider the data type also. If you want, you can write down str and then give the parenthesis also. Okay, that is optional. Input, enter any string. When we are giving some input in string, there may be some string there. Now vowel, consonant, uppercase and lowercase equals to 0. That is, these 4 are the variables used to store some value of vowel, consonant, uppercase and lowercase letters in the given string, and we are initializing these 4 variables with 0. We have initialized in 0 to all the 4 variables here, and Python allows us this multiple assignment in a single line. We know that. Okay, and after that we have used a for loop in the particular string. For I in S, if I, for I in S, for the string for I in S, and then we use a if statement. This is very simple program, you know. What are the vowels? Everybody knows A, E, I, O, U. The 5 vowels in alphabet, English alphabet, you know. So A, E, I, O, U. We have to just take the characters in single quotes and equal with the I variable here. So in string S, we just compare each and every character with either small letter A or caps A, either small or caps, either small or caps I, or O, U and U, because Python is a case sensitive language. Okay, so this if statement will give you vowel equals to vowel plus 1. If any character matches with any of them, then the value of vowel, this is initialized with 0. If I get any one character, suppose A, then this value will be changed to 0 plus 1. That is, it will return the value 1. Else consonant equals to consonant plus 1, because if we don't get any vowel here except vowels, all the characters will be considered as consonant. So then the value of consonant will be increased by 1. Okay. After that we will check the uppercase and lowercase number. Okay, and for that one, uppercase the variable name for uppercase letter, and lowercase is the variable name to calculate the number of lowercase letters. Okay, now here is another if statement. It is checking right it, and is upper is an inbuilt method in Python to check the uppercase letters in a program. So I dot is upper, the method will give you uppercase equals to uppercase plus 1, and another statement for is lower. Same, this is also the inbuilt method to check the lowercase letters of a string, and it will return if it is true. If statement is true, then lowercase will be increased by 1. Yes, 0 to 1. Now print total number of vowels, that is vowel. Print total number of consonants, that is consonant. Print total number of uppercase letters, uppercase, and print total number of lowercase, lowercase. This is our program. Okay. So now here is the output. In output section, the first one is enter any string. Enter any string. We have entered Python. Okay. Now, for I in S, there is a for loop working here. I in S equals to Python. For I in S, it will be checked like this. For the first character, it is checking P. Is it matched with any of the vowel? No. Y, no matching. T, no matching. H, no matching. O, yeah. O is matched here. I equals to O. When it gets a vowel there, then the value of vowel will be increased. Vowel equals to 0 plus 1, that is 1. Keep it in a box. Okay. Next, else consonant. Else consonant means, see here, when this is the checking is going on, the first value P is matched with any of the A, E, I, O, U? No. So consonant value is increased. First one, consonant equals to 0 plus 1, that is 1. Again, Y is matched with A, E, I, O, U? No. So again consonant will be changed. Consonant equals to 1 plus 1, that is 2. Again T, yeah. Consonant equals to 2 plus 1, that is 3. O is matched with the vowel section. So we get here vowel equals to 1. And next N is matched or not? N also consonant will be increased. This is consonant, okay? 3 plus 1 equals to 4. Ultimate value we get what? We get the value 4, number of consonants, okay? Next, it will check for if is upper, I is upper, uppercase. When it check, first one, I is checked here, P, only one caps. So, uppercase equals to uppercase 0 plus 1, that is equals to 1, and lowercase is equals to 0 plus 1 equals to 1. Then again 1 plus 1 equals to 2, and that's the final value we will get 4. Okay. No, not 4. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We get 5. Clear? See here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, here is another value also. 4, and next value that 5 will be taken. Okay. Consonant. So 4 and 5 consonant value. This is the complete program. And when we print the value, we just print it like this. When we print total number of vowels, it will give you the number of vowel, that is 1. And when we print the line total number of consonant, it will give you 5. And when we print total number of uppercase, the uppercase variable is returning what? The value 1. So it will print here 1. And when we print total number of lowercase letters, it will print the number 5, because 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, the lowercase is here. This is the ultimate program to count and display the number of vowels, consonants, uppercase, lowercase characters in string. So this is the program. Please write down it. And one thing is that I am doing the program in this way. There are several ways to write down a program. This is not the only way to execute a program. So this is, I will say that you follow these programs. I am doing here the most simplest and easiest steps in the program. Okay. So if there is any problem, please feel free to ask me. This is a very simple program and you must dry run it in your copy. Okay. Previously I have discussed how to dry run a program. This is very vital. You will also dry run. Take a string and check one by one in your copy. If there is any problem, I am here to solve your problem. Please keep practicing And for today's class, this is sufficient. And next day, we will meet with another program. Till then, take care and thank you for watching.